Meetings are happening in states and nationally over the COVID and the Omicron variant. But what beyond the meetings? What is the action towards a booster dose? Why should we made to continue to be susceptible to a virus when we know a booster is available? Let's debate.
The Omicron case surge cannot be ignored. There has been an 11,700% increase in known cases. There have been over 7,000 new active cases in 24 hours and 16 states are hit by Omicron already. Yet, some are still taking it lightly. Look at these visuals from across the country. And confronted on not wearing a mask, some citizens say this.
जब अगर ये ऐसा कुछ है तो जब गवर्नमेंट की रैलियां हो रही हैं उस टाइम पे ये ओमिक्रॉन कहाँ है मुझे ये बताइए.
Fact is, all COVID norms were ignored even at election rallies, whether it was Aligarh, Varanasi or Punjab. Expert projections make it clear the threat of a third wave cannot be played down. And yet, booster proposals are being rejected.
6 months' time, the antibody level goes down significantly. So that was the main reason for giving the booster dose. In India particularly, there was a meeting of the expert panel and there is another meeting recently held. They have decided against it because they do not consider the evidence good enough to give a booster dose. But I think the healthcare workers and the patients with comorbidities, these patients should be given booster so that we do not get patients who require hospitalization.
There is no reason not to give boosters when all the factors enable the dosage. Prime Minister Modi chaired a COVID-19 review meeting, but there is no word on boosters yet. The government should recall how being non-committal on vaccines for all played out during the second wave. The world is batting for boosters. Indians deserve to be shielded from all variants of COVID. Indians out to be given boosters now.